How to call on Viber. You can start an audio or video call on Viber in two ways. The first method is when you have a chat with a person. You can tap on that conversation. Here, you have two buttons on the top, audio and video. Tap on one of them to start a video or audio call. Another way is to tap on the Calls tab from the bottom. On the contact list, you will be able to see the person who you can call. This icon is the Viber Out button that will need you to pay for the call. Only the user who have these two buttons will be able to call for free with the Viber app. Let's start a video call. Tap on the camera button from a user. Now your video call is starting. The same option mostly that you have on a video call option, you have it also on audio calls. You have the option to see the chat and camera. Please note, when you tap on a chat, your video will close. So now I need to start the camera again. You can switch off the camera if you want. Also, you can mute your microphone in the call if you want that. On Viber, you can share the screen of your phone by using this button. Here, you can also switch the front camera to the rear camera. Tap on this button. If you wish to end the call, just tap on the End Call. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.